listen, keep watching. Good morning. This is Dennis speaking. How may I help you?
When answering calls, always be polite, clear, and professional. Speak in a friendly tone, listen carefully to the caller. If the person they are looking for is unavailable, you can say,
I'm sorry, she is currently unavailable. May I take a message?
always write down the important details like name, contact number, and the purpose of the call. Scheduling is all about organizing appointments and meetings.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, you have a meeting at 3 p.m. with our vendor.
Make sure to double check the time, date, and participant. It's also helpful to send reminders to avoid missed appointments. Office communication also include handling emails and physical mails. For emails, use a professional format. Start with the greetings, state your purpose clearly, and with a polite closing. For physical mail, make sure it is properly shorted and delivered to the correct person.
And that's it. Those are the basic office communication, phone, scheduling, and mail. Mastering these skills will help you to become more organized and professional in any workplace.
Thank you for watching.